Hi, it's Dr. Kopp here, and I want to talk to you today about meta prompting. So, what is meta prompting? Well, it's what you think it is. It's a prompt that helps you write a prompt. And AI tools are really good at helping you create prompts. So, let's take a look at some meta prompting. To do this, we're going to enter a prompt. So, I have a prompt that says, "You're an academic professor. You need to write a prompt to help me communicate to AI about writing an essay about gamification." So what this will do is it will actually craft a prompt, and you'll notice it will be a very involved prompt. So it's giving me the beginning. You're an academic writer with expertise in learning sciences, instructional design. Here's what it wants in the essay. It tells me to use a scholarly tone, and now I can copy this and paste it. But let's do one more thing. Let's improve the above prompt, and let's see what it comes up with. So now it's saying I'm going to be more precise, more academic, and more design forward. So you'll notice that here, specifically the essay should, and it goes into a lot more detail related to my essay. So here, I just had a few, define gamification, explain the theoretical foundations, address common elements. Here it says define it, ground it in theory, explain the instructional value. And what I can do then is I can copy this and I can actually paste it and it will create the essay for me. So if you use meta prompting, it can give you very detailed prompts. And what you can do is you could edit the prompt if you needed to, if it didn't give you all the information that you needed. But notice it goes into quite the amount of detail as I'm writing my essay here. So you can use this in lots of different ways. Another thing you can do is you can say, change the prompt. Change the prompt for 8th grade students. Okay, and so now if I hit that, I'm not done here with the essay. It's kind of a long essay. We click here, it actually will change my prompt for 8th grade students. And so now notice that it's talking about 8th grade, why it works, explain gamification in your own words, clearly explain how it's different. You notice it's not talking about the theory anymore. And so it gives me that type of information. So if you ever want to have an effective prompt, simply using AI to meta prompt, and you can even give it tips. Give me tips for meta prompting. And it will actually then give you tips on how to write meta prompting. So use AI to help you design your prompts, and it will give you some pretty spectacular prompting and make your prompts more effective and more efficient as you go through using AI for everyday tasks. Better prompts help with thinking. If prompting is about getting an answer, then meta prompting is about designing better questions. And asking AI to help you means AI becomes your assistant in designing effective prompts. And the more effective your prompt, the more effective your output. So get busy doing meta prompts, give it a try, give it a shot, and see what you can come up with working with AI to get the best possible prompt you can.